Hello, Alex from Listagram here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Listagram on your website using Google Tag Manager. This assumes that you've already got Google Tag Manager on your website and you just want to add Listagram. So first things first, log into Listagram and go to Account and Installation. That's the page I'm already on. So in here, this is your Listagram code. And this will manage all your wheels, so you won't have to install any further code. So just copy this, go over to your Google Tag Manager account and click Add New Tag. Give it a name, Listagram. Okay, now you need to click Tag Configuration and add a custom HTML tag. So here's where we paste in the code we just copied. And now we need to move on to the triggering section here. And we're going to set all pages to trigger the Listagram code. We can then further include or exclude URLs using Listagram settings. So that's why we set all pages. So click Save. Now we can click Submit to add this and just add anything you like here for the version name and description. I'm just going to leave it Listagram. So that's basically it. You've published your Listagram code to your website. What you can do now is go back to your workspace and go into preview mode, and this will help you check whether the code is actually firing on your website. It's just a fail-safe really. So now we're in preview mode. I'm going to go over to the website I've installed it on and click refresh, and you can see here that the Listagram code is installed correctly, and Google Tag Manager has noticed that. So that's Listagram installed on your website using Google Tag Manager. One thing to note is that when you've got your tag installed, it doesn't mean that Listagram will show any wheels. You have to create your wheel, and by default they are disabled, so that you don't show a wheel that you don't want to. So to show your wheel live on the website, you need to go back to the wheel and enable it. So with that said, if you have any questions, do get in touch via Listagram support.